In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the checkout page in the Shopify Dawn theme. We'll walk through this step by step so you can make your checkout look on brand and more user-friendly without touching any code. First, log into your Shopify admin. Once you're on the main dashboard, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where all of your themes and design settings live. On the themes page, find the Dawn theme you're using and click on Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which lets you preview and customize different parts of your store. At the top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down that probably says Homepage by default. Click on that drop-down, and instead of staying on the homepage, choose Checkout and Customer Accounts. This switches the preview to your checkout so you can see your changes in real time. Now let's start with the branding in the header. In the Checkout Settings panel, look for the header section and click on Change to update your logo. Here you can upload your store's logo file. Try to use a clear, high-quality image, ideally with a transparent background so it looks clean on different colors. Once your logo is in place, you'll see a slider labeled Width. Drag this sliding bar left or right to adjust how large your logo appears on the checkout. Aim for a size that's visible but doesn't dominate the page. Below that, you'll find the alignment options. You can choose to align your logo to the left, center, or right. Click through these options and watch the preview to decide which layout best matches the rest of your brand and feels balanced. Next, let's customize the background. In the section titled Background Image, click on Add Image if you want a main background visual. This could be something subtle like a light pattern or a blurred version of your brand imagery, so it doesn't distract from the form fields. You'll also see an option called Background 1 with another Add Image button. Click this to add a second background image for a different part of the checkout, for example, the order summary area. This lets you differentiate sections visually while keeping things cohesive. For background 1, you can also click on color to choose a solid color overlay or a background color instead of or on top of an image. You can apply the same approach to backgrounds too, using matching or complementary colors that align with your brand palette and keep text easy to read. To adjust how your text looks, click on Typography. Here you can change the font style and size for your checkout. Try to use the same or similar fonts you use on the rest of your site, and make sure the sizes are large enough to be legible on mobile devices. Now let's look at the structure of the checkout. Click on Checkout Layout. You'll see options to choose between a one-page checkout or a three-page step-by-step checkout process. A one-page layout can feel faster and more modern, while a multi-step layout can feel more guided. Pick the one that best matches your customers' expectations and your store's complexity. To make filling in addresses easier, click on Address Autocompletion. Turning this on allows Shopify to suggest and autocomplete customer addresses as they type. This can reduce input errors and speed up the checkout process, which often improves conversion rates. You'll also see an option for a Buy Again button. Click on this if you want to enable a feature that lets customers easily reorder items from a previous purchase. This can be especially useful for stores that sell consumables or products customers purchase regularly. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, don't forget the final, crucial step. Click on Save in the top right corner of the editor. Saving applies your new checkout design to your live store. Take a moment to run through a test checkout as a customer to make sure everything looks good and functions the way you expect. And that's how you customize the checkout page in the Shopify Dawn theme. From